guitar and hang out with you and kind of just sort of play a song. Different every night. It's usually a different song every night, but you know, we're here in gorgeous Austin, Texas, and this is a sold-out show, and we're so crazy. But right next door in Oklahoma, they're going through a lot, to put it lightly, and I would just really appreciate it, and I think that they would appreciate it if they had a sold-out crowd of 12,000 all praying for them right now, don't you think? I just feel so incredibly lucky because we have amazing artists on the road with us opening up the show.